I want to fill you in on a not so secret secret. The key to growing a social media following is to give. Give generously, give without expectations. We live in a post-advertising interruptive mass communication era. Today, we voluntarily show up, ready to consume, connect with, and champion the brands and people that know and look out for us. So stop pitching, stop selling, start serving. Before you create a piece of content, ask yourself this question. Am I stealing time and attention, or am I creating value for others? Now be honest with yourself. Are you being selfish, or are you being generous? And are you helping to create transformative moments for the people who show up? The best way I know how to do this is to teach. If you want to reach more people, teach more people. That's the secret. It's simple, but not so easy. Hi, in case you don't know me, I'm Chris Do, a loud introvert. And over the last few years, I've been able to grow my Instagram account to over 600,000 fans and followers. How did I do that? Before I tell you how, let me first tell you that I was once where you are now. I wondered and doubted if I could ever reach the kind of numbers that big influencers had. I wasn't anything special. So I told myself, I felt too old for social media. I can't sing or dance or do backflips. I'm not attractive enough. I don't have six-pack abs. I don't possess any unique skills or own a cute animal. I was yet another creative in a sea of creatives trying to stand out, drowning in the noise. And then luck or fate would intervene. While preparing for a live stream, I noticed that my guest, Michael Janda, had grown his account quite rapidly. He had tens of thousands of new followers in a matter of months. When I looked closer, I had a light bulb moment. Michael was using 10 slide carousels to teach. I don't know why it didn't occur to me before, but it was so clear in that moment. These read like mini presentation decks. Michael was pulling content from his book and breaking it down into bite-sized content, and people loved it. They were fun and easy to consume. This moment was significant because I realized I too had a lot to pull from. I had over 100 keynote presentations with hundreds of slides each that I could pull from as well. Now, armed with this discovery, I went to work. Over the next few weeks and months, I tested different layouts, writing styles, typefaces, graphics, textures, concepts, color harmonies, and transition devices. As you can imagine, a lot of ideas didn't work, but I ultimately settled into a style of writing and design that helped me to gain over 10,000 followers per week. Yes, per week. To put that in perspective, it took me over 2.5 years to get to 10,000 followers. Now I was growing faster in a week than in 2 years of content creation. Here's what I learned. Instagram wants to keep users on their app. This is not news. They will reward creators who know how to capture people's attention, and the perfect way to do that doesn't require any special talent, is to use, you guessed it, carousels. Carousels connect, carousels engage, carousels position you as the expert as you build your audience. Maybe you're a strategist, a coach, a writer, a personality, an author, a marketer, or subject matter expert. You know this. Others would benefit from your experience, knowledge, and skills, but something is holding you back. You probably have a lack of process, creativity, and design. All of this creates resistance. As Tony Robbins said, complexity is the enemy of execution. Now, you can hire a designer to create a custom template for you for hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Alternatively, you could hire a social media marketer for $3,000 to $5,000 a month to help you create content. Now, we can't make all of your challenges go away, but we can solve some of them. Use a well-designed carousel that matches your aesthetic and tone of voice. Stress less on the design, focus more on the writing. Using the right carousel template could be the difference between getting people to slow their scroll, tap follow, and an empty notifications tab. It's one of the reasons why I've been able to create as many as 5 carousels a day. Design shouldn't be a roadblock when it comes to growing your influence on Instagram. That's why I created the Carousel Template Kit, a plug-and-play solution. The Carousel Template Kit has everything you need to create a visually appealing Instagram feed. No special design skills required. Swap out placeholder elements, choose from color options, drop in your text, and start sharing. Each kit includes expertly designed templates by award-winning designers for use with Adobe Illustrator, Keynote, and with more templates on the way, both available in light and dark mode. all designed with master pages to keep your design consistent and on brand while providing you enough options to tailor the design to fit your specific needs. The AIDA framework is built into the templates for capturing attention, building interest, creating desire, and getting people to engage or take action. It's the formula for writing carousels that gets shares, comments, and saves. A resources guide is also included to help you find beautifully designed typefaces and imagery, both free and paid options, so you know exactly where to find the best fonts and stock imagery for your brand. It also includes step-by-step instructions on how to use and customize your template, and an Instagram makeover video giving you access to my best tips for transforming your account. You don't have to be envious of beautifully crafted social media posts. With the Carousel Template Kit, you can select a professionally designed template that perfectly matches your personal style. Simply drop in your content, select your colors, and look like a design pro. Get content out faster, start building a following of fans and customers so that you can grow your influence and build your authority.